Welcome to the Versus series. Today we have Coke versus Pepsi. The Versus series is where I put two companies' flagship products head to head against each other, and I body stock of the winning company. I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Let's head out and buy some pop or soda, depending on which region. We're back. We have our pop, our soda, we have our Coke and Pepsi. I'm going to be doing a blind taste test, and whichever one tastes better to me, so it's going to be completely biased on my opinion on which one is better. I'm going to be buying stocks of that company. First up, we have Coke. First up, we have Coke. Ticker symbol KO. Coke, at the time of the recording of this video, is sitting at $58.52. It was founded in 1886 and its headquarters is in Atlanta, Georgia. It is no surprise that the world's largest beverage company offers hefty dividends and is a part of an exclusive group of stocks known as Dividen aristocrats. The company first raised its dividends in 1963 and has done so ever since. A dividend aristocrat is a company that is inside the S&P 500 that has increased their dividend payouts every single year over the last 25 years. Coca-Cola has a 56-year dividend history. The current yield for Coca-Cola dividends is 2.72%, paying out around $1.60 per share. Coca-Cola is well known all over the world, especially during Christmas times with their polar bears. But not only does the company Coca-Cola owns Coke, Coke owns many different products such as Coke, Sprite, Minute Maid, Powerade, Dasani, Smart Water, and here's a list of all the other products that Coca-Cola owns. We have Pepsi. PepsiCo, aka Pepsi, ticker symbol PEP, was founded in 1965. Its headquarters is in Purchase, New York. Currently, it is trading at $141.90. Pepsi is one of Coca-Cola's main competitors and is also included in the Dividend Aristocrat group. Pepsi have a dividend yield of 2.69% and it pays out $3.82 per share annually. So that means Pepsi has also increased their dividends every single year over the last 25 years and is in the S&P 500. If Pepsi hasn't sold out Coke in the soft drink category, Pepsi has competed strong in its plethora of products, going beyond just soda pop. Throughout the years, Pepsi has accumulated many different products. They have Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Lay's, Gatorade, Tropicana, 7-Up, Doritos, Brisk, Quaker Foods, Cheetos, Ruffles, Aquafina, Naked, Propel, Saab, H2O, Starbucks ready-to-drink beverages, Pepsi Max, Tostitos, Sierra Mist, Fritos. The list goes on. That's why Pepsi stock is trading at such a higher price than Coca-Cola, because not only does PepsiCo just sell their Pepsi pop or soda, they also accumulated many different brands under the PepsiCo brand, and they sell those throughout the world. So these is two solid companies. I'm going to be doing a blind taste test of their two flagship products. Both companies are doing well, so I'm not worried about investing in either Coke or Pepsi on on which one wins because they're both great companies. They're both inside the Dividen Aristocrat family. So I'm going to be doing a blind taste test. Enough of talking. Let's get straight into it. All right, got my blindfold. I'm gonna put it on and have my beautiful assistant come mix these cans up so I can't tell. I'm gonna be doing a blind taste test and review, and whichever one I pick, I will be buying the stock of. Here we go. All right, the blindfold is on. Mix them up. All right, I have no clue. All right, 2 cans. Both cold. Let's try this one. Okay. Got a little. Okay. And I almost finished this can. It's almost finished. There's still a lot left for this one. This one's almost finished. Okay. This is Coke. This is Pepsi. If I have to choose which one is better, I'm going to choose. This one's almost empty. This one's not almost empty. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to that first sip, it made me scream louder. It was this one. I'm going to ride with this Company A. Company A. Can I take my blindfold off now, assistant? Oh, it's Pepsi. Oh, I'm going with Coke. Pepsi wins it. Pepsi wins. Pepsi wins. Congratulations, Pepsi. I'll be buying your stock as soon as the market opens. Coke lost. Coke lost. Okay. Congratulations, Pepsi, for being the first winner of the Versus Series. Pepsi took it home. Get this out of here. Get this out of here. Congratulations, Pepsi, for being the first winner of the Versus Series, while I put 2 company flagship products head to head against each other, and Pepsi took it home. It is a dividend aristocrat. They increase their dividend payments every year for the last 25 years. I'm glad to say that I'm going to be investing into this company. Congratulations. This is Zeke bringing you the first of many versus series on the Dream Green Show. Make sure you go down to the comment section and type in any other companies that you want me to put up against each other, and I'll respond to your comments to see which one should I do next. And while you're down there, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel a lot, and subscribe. But other than that, this is Zeke bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.
Dude, this is Coke. And this is better. Did you record this?
Yup. Yes, sir.
This is Coke. This is Pepsi.
Which one is better?
This one.
Which one is Coke?
They taste the same. I should have stuck with my first one because I said this one was Pepsi. Yeah, this is Pepsi because it has the sugar. Yeah. And guys, that is how you do a taste test.